My name is Wilhemina. I am a Ghanaian. I am a French teacher. And I come from... How does that sound? Funny, right? Yeah, that is exactly how you sound anytime you speak French with the wrong accent. So in this lesson, we are going to look at how to pronounce some of the French sounds correctly. The first sound that we will look at is the sound A. A. A in French is pronounced as A. Let's look at some words that have A in them. Animal, animal, anana, anana, banane, banane, table, table, arbre, arbre. The next sound we'll look at is the sound E. Look at my mouth. E. We have E in samedi, samedi, demain, demain, petit, petit, cheval, cheval. And also in these two-letter words, je, me, le, and de. Okay, so it is je and not j'ai. Je, like this. Je. The next sound we'll look at, which is a bit close to the is the sound e. E. The difference is that the is like this. Your mouth is arrondi, a little round like this. And the is e. Show your teeth though. E. Okay, so we look at letter combinations that give the sound E. The first one we will look at is E accent aigu, which is E with the accent, which is accent aigu. It gives a sound E, as in bébé, bébé, éléphant, éléphant, télévision, télévision, école, école, église, église, étudiant, étudiant. The next letter combination which gives the sound A is ER. Usually when ER is at the end of words, it gives the sound A, as in cahier, cahier, papier, papier, manger, manger, jouer, jouer, premier, premier. The next letter combination which gives the sound A is ET at the end of words, as in guichet, guichet, carnet, carnet, jouer, jouer, juillet, juillet, secret, secret. The next letter combinations which give the sound A is EZ at the end of words. It is A and not EZ. So we have le nez, chez, chez. And then usually verbs going with vous end with EZ, which is A. Vous mangez, vous mangez, vous allez, vous allez, vous avez, vous avez, vous jouez, vous jouez, vous travaillez, vous travaillez. Okay, so when any word ends with any of these sounds, you can pronounce them as A. Take note, when E is at the end of a word, you do not sound that E. Rather, the E validates the last consonant or the last sound. Let's look at some words that will make it better for you to understand. Petit, petite, petit, petite. Grand, grande, grand, grande. Intelligent, intelligente, intelligent, intelligente. For, fort. For, fort. Let's look at other examples that will help you know the difference between the E's that are sounded and those that are not sounded. Sucre, sucré, sucre, sucré. Travail, travailler, travailler, travailler. Joue, jouer, 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 jouer. Mange, manger, manger, manger. So that is the end of our lesson on phonetics. I'm sure you've learned a lot on how to pronounce your words correctly. Revisit all our lessons. If there are some sounds that you have to correct, go ahead and do so. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Françomonde, you'll be totally enfrenched. See you in our next lesson. Merci.